There are two common ways to produce custom-shaped stand-up pouches. Let's compare them. This system uses pre-made pouches loaded into a rotary filling machine. This system creates the pouch from continuous roll stock using a horizontal form-fill seal machine. With the pre-made pouch system, finished pouches are loaded into a magazine. The machine picks, opens, and prepares each pouch for filling. As the magazine empties, it must be reloaded to continue production. The Rollstock system works differently. A continuous film roll feeds directly into the machine, where each pouch is formed, sealed, and opened in line before filling. Because the film is supplied on a roll, production can continue without stopping to reload empty pouches. The film is first formed into the required pouch profile. A custom cutting die creates the final shape. Changing the tooling allows different pouch designs to be produced on the same machine. The pre-made pouch is filled before moving to the sealing station. The newly formed pouch is filled in line before completing the final sealing and cutting stages. Both systems have their place. The right choice depends on your product, production volume, and packaging strategy. We can also integrate weight checkers, metal detectors, and complete packaging lines tailored to your application. Subscribe for more Factory IQ. Smarter Factory Decisions.
Después de meses, años de seguimiento, análisis y vigilancia constante, tenemos que aceptar una conclusión que nunca